Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Longbridge Reverse Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in longbridge-financial.com/servicing and then press enter. Now within this page, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the login or register button. Go ahead and click on it and you will be taken into the login portal for your mortgage account. Just type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your mortgage account within the email address section and then enter your password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your Longbridge Reverse Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can click on the forgot your password reset option and you will be allowed to reset right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your mortgage account on Longbridge Reverse. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.